Cool. I think we're good now. So yesterday we left off right when we pressed go on implementing 1.4. I'm not sure if the audio captures. Alright, so yeah, it was gonna do 1.4. I think I just did it. And just to recap here, I think 1.4 was just the S3 off part, or at least finishing that part, right? So I kind of want to see what it did. So here's what was implemented in phase 1, 1.4 S3 auth. Updated the client.ts file to use remote auth, okay? The S3 client configured which AWS read and S3 bucket. Alright, let's see. So updated also the GitHub Actions deploy to build the Docker image after doing the npm run build. Pushes to Lightsail registry via the AWS CLI. Okay. First Pulumi deploy is next. Okay, so apparently we're ready to deploy. I think I'm gonna need to like do some, at least get logged in, because I think it's been a bit since I last deployed on this computer. Create bot IAM access keys in AWS console. Alright, let's try this. Actually, let me see the code that he wrote. So it only changed 3 files. Let's look at the deploy folder here. Coming out in 15 minutes. I don't know why I changed that, but still fine. It's only doing lint. Yep. Updated 4. So Docker build X. Okay. I guess it's using a Docker action to actually do the build here. I hadn't seen I actually hadn't seen that that action before. But let's see what it is for. Select an action to run. Oh yeah, this is doing the work now. Let's just see what that is. GitHub Actions set up Docker build X. Okay. I think this is the latest thing. Build Kit is the latest. I think it's pretty new. I think I just know because we had some issues with Build Kit in our current work, Docker flow that we have at work, I should say. I mean, I'll trust it here with that. Let's go back to Sundin view here. Yeah, so it's building the image. What's up about latest? That's what it's calling it. That's fine. Docker file is definitely on the root, right? AWS Lightsail push container image. Service name, label, image. It's gonna put the output as JSON to a JSON file. And then it's putting the JSON result. Specifically, it's grabbing the image details image and then putting it in an environment variable. I guess for the next step. Yeah, it's putting in the GitHub output. So in Pulumi and then just doing Pulumi up. Okay. Not sure what it did require here. I don't get it. Doesn't it have... Let me actually look at the examples here. I mean, this thing is just not really well typed. But yeah, there you go. That's a comma. Okay. So it does have a type. Fuck. What does this have to do with anything, brother? Did it also update that shit? some fucking bullshit. It added like, this is what I fucking hate about this. Why did it add that? Same shit with this. Fucking miss that. Not in this registry. Oh my god, dude. Why did it like fucking imagine it had like all of these types? Jesus Christ. How's the audio today? I guess I'll find out. Alright, so it's creating the frigging AWSS3 store, getting the session bucket. It's kind of crazy that it asks you to pass all that down. So remote out about config. What do you mean anybody, brother? Where is the puppeteer executable path gonna get set here? Okay, we set it in the Docker. Okay, cool. No sandbox, disable set UID sandbox, okay. Shit ton of errors, okay. We'll figure those out here in a second. I just kind of want to see what it says. Remote session safe. Session safe to S3, safe to deploy, I mean. I'll remove that, that's just stupid. Types Randa, what the fuck is this? Ah, I guess it's because I upgraded versions. You know what? I'm gonna just remove Ramda for now. But we're not using it. Let's just simplify. I want to get through this. guess let's try to run it, right? Just to make sure we're good. Let's just ping him. Okay. It has some outdated stuff here. Kind of weird that it didn't remember the local host. I guess it deletes it. I reset my computer, so it's probably that. Let's maybe try to do I guess it's 1.1, 1.4. So I gotta be logged into Pulumi. I don't even know if my account is still active. Let's say that it is. It's already saying that we do the first deploy, creates the infra, okay? It's gonna create the bot IAM access, yeah. I'm also going to need to, I'm gonna do this something on the side here because I don't want to obviously leak my AWS Pro account. Daily mem if I go here. So I have a root user, like a root IAM user that has access to everything, which is called deploy bot. I'm gonna have to tweak this to probably add Lightsail permissions. Let's already have it. Let's see what I have here. API gateway admin, Amazon Bedrock full access, BenBridge S3, SES, SQS, certificate manager, Lambda full access, cloud database administrator, network administrator. Yeah, I'm probably gonna need something here. Has here another group, but like an actual managed policy. Add permissions. Let's see if there's anything. Lightsail. Export access. Nope. Maybe container. Yeah, I'll just ask. ChatGPT here. What AWS managed policies grant me access? Grant me full access. to manage light cell deployments. Using what's it called, light cell container service. All right, so it's doing its checks there. I'm gonna bet that it's gonna be like something maybe related to EC2. There isn't attachable AWS managed policy specifically for Amazon Lightsail full access. Oh, Jesus. A couple of important catches. Lightsail Expert Access assists, but it's a service thing locals cannot be attached to your user. So the practical answer is no dedicated attachable AWS managed policy for full Lightsail container service admin. So we need a custom freaking policy. Okay. Solid minimal policy for full Lightsail including container service management is I'm asking it. I have a bot deploy user in IAM that I use to get keys for GitHub Actions. Will this policy be enough so I can deploy via Pulumi with those keys? So it just gave me a custom policy. I know I'm showing that screen, but I just also gotta fix the freaking hotkeys. It doesn't seem to work in Mac. It works in Windows. Windows I'm pretty easily it seems like I have to be focused on the screen, like on OBS screen, for it to like work, which kind of sucks. Alright, let's just try this policy that is getting me here. Probably need to create a policy here. I'm actually creating a new group. So that's the way I had it set up. I have like an AI deployers, Lambda deployers, etc. I'm gonna create a group called container deployers, and I'm actually gonna add the policy there. I'm just gonna do this through the console. That's fine. Like I mean the AWS console, that is. So add permissions, attach policies to the group, customer manage. I'm just gonna like tell policy here, and then go back to the user, and that's deploy bot. And I'm actually gonna remove. So when I add it directly, I'm gonna remove that. And then I'm gonna add a terminal group. I hope I can add a terminal group. A user can be a member of up to 10 groups at a time, so I think we're good here. So I do have a local dev credential here, which should still be good. I last used it 107 days ago. And let me also check my Pulumi accounts. I know I'm not sharing, and I'm doing that on purpose, because I kind of don't want to leak any passwords as I log in or anything. Where the hell is this? Jesus. Access management? I think they changed it a lot. Nope. Version control templates. Dude, I swear. I mean, it's been a while since I have been in Pulumi, but personal access token. So view a comply with service. Pulumi access token. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna need that, and then I'm gonna need a bot AWS access key bot. That's gonna come in a second here. And I guess it needs that because it's gonna what? Okay, so yeah, I was just reading what it's kind of telling me to do next here. I think that kind of makes sense. I think we're gonna need first. Let me go to the deploy folder. I'm gonna log into Pulumi because it's been a while. I'm sure I'm gonna need to update that. Yeah, let's just update that. Just in case, 'cause it's been a while too. Alright. Oh, don't tell me that it like updated my CSH completions. Dude, I'm gonna be pissed. Alright, so I think I'm logged in. So let me just go log it to Pulumi. Select. I think it's what? Stack. What's the Pulumi select. Pulumi select. Pulumi stack select prod. No stack name prod found. I guess you gotta create it first, right? I always have a problem with this initial name in Pulumi. The stack name needs to be pretty specific. Why is it not just doing WhatsApp bot, right? So apparently it's Pulumi stack init prod. Okay, apparently that worked. What did that change? Nothing. And I have nothing in Pulumi. Okay, so it did it right. I think you guys are seeing my terminal, right? Yeah. So it's going to create an S3 bucket, an IAM user, Lightsail container service. Apparently it had permissions. Nice. I think I had all the right user locally here, and user policy. I think that's all we have. Do we have anything here that we missed? User policy, what user? Session bucket, what username, the container name. Yeah, I think that sounds good. Do you want to perform this update? Yeah, please. Alright, 3 errors, so we're probably missing some fucking... Bucket already exists. Oh, that's true, that's global to it. Why did it fail to create the container service? Yeah, so I think we need the light. This should have worked. Oh, wait a second. Wait a fucking second. I used the wrong freaking user here. I used the wrong freaking... Fuck! Yeah, I was using the wrong freaking Jesus, AWS user. I basically created it in the wrong account. I wanted to create it in my pod account. Let me make sure I'm right. That's right. And I gotta, let's see if it's here. Alright, so that's good. But besides that, we're gonna have to fix the freaking S3 bucket name. It's gotta be unique. Yeah, of course. Early on. Missing record configuration by streaming. What? So I already failed to create the S3 bucket. That's fucking stupid. So you hit a reach or will exceed your limit of flight cell container spaces. Are you shitting me? just prepend this with and for shit like this we'll just use did I export it? Alright, so I think that would fix the freaking Pulumi has a thing for explaining diagnostics. That's it. That's what it does. Let them burn the tokens. Provider. Okay. No, this is so fucking slow. I'm just gonna ask you. Okay, just reply. I think we might need to request a quota increase here. Let's see if I actually have it. Let's see what it says here. I gotta request a service quota increase. It's fucking stupid. So where should I go? Service quotas home. Jesus, I have to provide to request access for light sale. That's crazy. Hell, can you save it? They have AI doing like requests now. Maybe they may like get automatically approved. That would be great. I'll analyze your issue description and account details to provide a personalized recommendation. Even if the recommendation doesn't resolve your issue, following this process adds valuable context. We recommend completing this step before creating a page. Alright, it's running now. Yeah, I didn't do shit. Apparently they shouldn't be disabled by default. I wonder if... So this shit has its own freaking... Like it's outside of the console. It's like nobody uses it. What the hell, bro? Should be able to create at least the S3 bucket now, right? Three to create.
Shout out to my brothers from the block. Cuzzo got a Glock and it cost them a lot. Yes, they keep that strap for the enemies, in case the enemies bring that too. They load up the chopper, let it spray. If the ops try to play, they gon' blow.
Apparently it is creating the Lysol container service. This kind of failed the first time, so it might have been a blip.
There's a time that I remember when my brothers hear this thing. They might go crazy for the cheddar. They might have to bring the pain.
Mm, 90 seconds seems like a lot. I mean, who knows? Let's see. Yeah, I created it. Nice. Alright, so it's pending. Alright. Alright, so I think we can start at least getting ahead with getting the keys for the user, right? Alright, so I'm adding the secrets to GitHub.
Run over, ran by the demons and monsters. People in charge are just really the robbers. Falling to evil, corrupt for the dollars. Lost in my head, yeah, my thoughts always wander.
Right, so this should be good here. Let's actually try to see if the user that he created is actually good in terms of permission.
People in charge are just really the robbers. Falling to evil, corrupt for the dollars. Lost in my head, yeah, my thoughts always wander. People in charge are just really the robbers. Falling to evil, corrupt for the dollars. Lost in my head, yeah, my thoughts always wander.
So it hallucinated that one. Just push that out.
Stick.
Alright, so we should be good here, right? And the next step that he wanted us to run the thing locally, right? So assume your own build. If it actually does. It did. Yeah. I don't know why it's passing this through the barrel. I'll do it. I'm just gonna hardcode that. I guess it's fine. Right into M. Just gonna run it the first time in this window here. Right, because this is passing it to the container level. So if we run it locally, we just need to pass it direct in here. Fuck, I think I lost it. Oh, shit. Oh, this is not copyrighted. We got the first QR. This should store in S3 if it has the right access. And we'll see about that. see if this works. It's dropping out. Fuck. Alright, I think we got link. It saves S3. Dude, I did not see the thing. We had a message here. That's the file where we have all of those. Yeah, this one didn't fire. Remote session save didn't fire. Okay, it just tried to save that and it failed. Specified bucket does not exist. Ah, good. We named it incorrectly. Yeah, we had named it incorrectly here. I think we should just yeah, this is just for the local thing. Let's do it. We might not need the build. This game passes an M bar, so shit, we're gonna have to read it. See if it works this time. Got linked here. Triggered here. Come on now. Kind of doesn't store the session immediately. For some weird reason, it just takes a bit for the event to fire. The other one, the what do they call it? I gotta learn this file structure too. Specify bucket does not exist. Come on. It's not getting the right bucket name. What the fuck? Hmm. I'm gonna check something here in the .env file. Oh, dude. Okay, I think we might be good now. Alright guys, I gotta go. I gotta pick up Celeste. So we'll be back tomorrow. I think we're gonna be good, but catch you then.